That home run.
Hell nah. Trigger ain't even ready for this. Look, you in control. You all.
These niggas high playing the Wii.
Yes, you is.
Hey, this nigga Chris. Hey, look, bro, this I hit him with the tire like
See what
this.
the score is.
Where you at, nigga? You ain't ready.
Because they hit the rope. That's why I let it go.
This is live coverage.
I'm gonna show you how to
Look at that.
Ooh. Come on, man.
Oh,
Bitch.
Nintendo Wii.
Oh, shit. Damn.
Oh, out of bounds. Deuces.
I got this fag ass nigga. Come back.
Here we go.
He ain't getting it. He ain't getting it.
Oh. Oh.
Damn, I let him get too close.
It's a tight game.
Bitch. Come on. Come on. Damn!
Oh. Game.
He got me down too. He think he gonna win. What the fuck is that?
Hey, man. That's some bull. Come on, man. Don't take it.
I ain't you know. Shit. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Nigga, you thought I wasn't gonna hit it.
Damn, man. Trying too hard.
And then swung the other way.
65 inch
Thank
plasma.
Thank you.
He ain't getting it. This nigga got me down bad, bro. Where you found him at? Bitch. Bitch. Got him, bitch! Got this whole ass nigga, man. Had little ass, working his ass. Let's go. He ain't getting that. Fuck!
Yes. I need it.
I can come back. I can come back. I can come back. Confidence, baby. Damn!
Okay, that's good shit. Good shit.
Hold on.
I'm gonna get you right here.
Woo! There we go.
Damn.
There we go.
Hey, I can't lose.
Game point.
Can't lose like that. Bitch. Woo-hoo-hoo! Bitch is back in it. Come on, Fred. Come on, let's go, baby.
Huh?
You on camera.
Yeah.
Fuck, man.
Come on.
Yes, on camera.
Right now?
Go.
You already was on there.
Let me see.
Huh?
Let me see.
See what?
Myself on
Oh,
camera.
love that.
Damn, man.
No, I was stuck
Right now.
You got me on camera right now, right?
Yeah. Got these niggas on camera. High. Playing the Wii.
Let me see.
Damn. You got it.
Let me see. Let me see them.
No, Pastor, myself playing with you.
No.
Man.
I ain't got you. I ain't recorded you playing the Wii.
Ain't no waiting. Ain't no waiting. Ain't no waiting.
Now I got your camera using the phone.
Let me see.
I got to stop
I had long luck.
the game. Got the game over with.
But
your head to
hit. Smack the hell out this motherfucker. Woo, hit it.
Come on, man.
Damn.
Let's go. It's over, Bird.
Just say
It's
you
Bird.
want to stop the camera.
Bird,
Damn.
so.
You try to fucking beat around the bush and shit.
Bird, it's
Come
over.
on. One more.
What the fuck?
Bird.
Come on.
Hey, Bird, it's over. He should never let me win that first round, Bird.
Yeah.
He ain't hit no more, Bird. Bird, he is not hitting no more. Oh, shit. That's all right. He get one. Everybody get one. Everybody get one, though.
Wait.
What the fuck?
He ain't getting no more. He ain't getting no more. What?
Hey, don't do that shit.
He ain't getting no more. He ain't getting no more. Watch this. Put this on Epic
DP.
Style list right here.
Epic. He's ain't gonna get no more.
Epic Style TV.
Tell him to get his game up.
Oh.
He's gonna lose. He had me down 2-0. It's over. Get your game up, Fred. I ain't even gonna go for that.
It's getting tight in this
Come on, let's go.
bitch.
You ready, baby?
15-15.
Damn, too much. That's all right, though. Bitch, come on. Tell him get it.
Oh, wait.
Slid that shit
It's
right
tight.
through.
Uh-oh. Game point. Match point.
That's how you get with that bullshit to that corner.
Oh. Uh-oh.
He had me down 2-0. And he tried to catch me sleeping like that, a bitch. Get your game up. Bitch, come on. I'm here. Come on. You gotta look. I look, man, doing this.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Yes.
These niggas serious.
Let's get serious. Let's go. Got him in the corner.
Bad cameraman.
Bitch. Oh, shit.
Ah, shit, E.
Shit is tight. Come on. I know you can feel the heat. Come on. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. That was some serious shit. I might gotta stop going for it with the little nigga. That's what's fucking me, man.
Damn. Damn.
Shit, little homie can make a way. Serious. Don't blame it on the shirt.
No, it's a scrap.
Blame it on your game, nigga. Blame it on your game. We gonna holler at you. I'm finna get you. You try to catch me slipping again. Slick them. Shit. I got you. I know I got you.
Oh!
Damn.
Oh, shit! That nigga came all the way back, nigga. God damn.
I had to battle back. Man, I had to battle back. I hope you got enough screen for that camera because his head can't get all the way in there right now. God damn.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Hold on, you want to play too?